Today we are going to draw a toucan. So to start our toucan, which is a colorful bird, you're going to hold your paper the tall way. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the body. So the first thing you want to do is make a large oval. Very lightly color the large oval. Now leave room on the side because we need room here to put your beak. So the first thing we're going to do after we draw our oval is we're going to make from the top a curve come down. Once we make the curve come down, we then kind of curve it back. So there is our beak. Then we have our little body here. Once we do that, we're going to make a curve come up. So now we have the full beak. You guys will have to erase this line right here. Now to draw the toucan, we're going to draw the top of the curve of his, there's a yellow part right here. So we're going to make, starting here, we're going to make a U and come all the way back up. So again, this is the beak. So why don't we do this next? We're going to draw the eye. So start with a circle. Then you're going to do another circle inside. And then you're going to do a black pupil. This part is going to be brown, or they usually do a brown eyes. This part is actually going to be white, and actually we're going to do one more, which is going to be blue. I know it's like a lot of circles, but he has a lot of circles on his face. So the next step we're going to do is this. I'm going to make this a little bigger for me to see. We're going to do the toucan's beak. So to do the toucan's beak, you make a line. This part right here is going to be black. You want to make sure you have a little rectangle for the reflection of light. Color all of this black. And you know what? We could have added a reflection of light in the eye here too. So you can add that, and I know you guys know how to add the reflection of light. Once you draw the beak, you're going to make a line that comes up for the mouth. The mouth goes all the way to that curve. Now, the toucan, you want to add kind of a zigzag pattern on the top for the colored part of the beak. Now, we're going to add the wings. You have 2 wings to add. 1, 2. So there's the 2 wings. And the 2 wings will be together. So don't worry if they look a little strange right now, because we can actually make them a little more curved like that. And these are going to be all black also. Now, the only thing we have to do is make the little feet. 1 line, 2 line, and a zigzag. Again, 1 line, 2 line, and a zigzag. We're going to make our toucan sit on a branch. So make sure you add a branch, because otherwise he's just chilling in the air. And then I thought it would be kind of cool to add some leaves in the background. So you guys can add some lines like this. Start with some lines. And then we're going to add large leaves on them, making oval shapes, or basically a lemon or eye shape. And then you can go back in and add your lines. You can also add branches like this, where you just do little ones, like a little skinnier plant. Oops, I went upside down, but that's okay. And then the last step is this. You can even add a little ladybug if you want. Could be kind of cute to add a ladybug. So what we're going to do is you're going to trace everything. Once you trace everything, we are going to color. And I'm just going to go over your colors with you. Inside the eye, you do want this brown. Then we talked about the next step, that this was white, and then we have a teal blue right here. This is all teal, or a light blue. Once you do that, the belly is yellow. So you're going to color the middle part yellow. I'm using oil pastels, but you can use color pencils, crayons, watercolors, markers, whatever you have in your house that will work. Now, the toucan's beak is colorful. So usually it's kind of in the shape of like a rainbow, but they work in certain colors. So we're gonna do purple, red. I'm gonna go back to a blue. Find a blue that's good. Then we're gonna have orange and yellow. I'm gonna do a light yellow. Now over here, we usually have a yellow here, and then it goes into an orange. So that would be the bottom of the beak. Once you are done with that, all of this is black. So all of these parts, I'm gonna go over that. This is all black. Like I said, I'm going very fast. You guys will take your time, get rid of all the white spots. Make sure you go slow and take your time and be neat. The feet, we can make a gray or light blue, whatever color you would like. I'm gonna make a light blue feet. You can even do yellow. And then when you are done, you will work on the background. You're gonna take your time, go slow, color all your leaves and your stick, and then make sure your background is maybe 1 or 2 colors if you want. You can even blend colors if you want. Take your time. I cannot wait to see your toucans.